The first one that we're looking at is Zynga, ZYNGA, and let's pop here. So as you can see, clearly the stock has been up. So if we go back to, this came out yesterday, the 17th, and what we can do is, this is where I get really skeptical about a lot of companies which are providing information. As you can see, I mean, this article came out yesterday, and the stock had already been up since January. So, I mean, how come we didn't hear about this in January when it was $3.90? Now we're hearing about it, and the stock has been selling off, which always makes me a little bit skeptical. So just to reiterate, ZYNGA, it's a gaming stock. It's a gaming stock, and it has been put up remarkably, really, you know, 65%. So now they're telling us, you know, that the stock has been up 65%. So the question is, why weren't we told about the stock earlier in the year? Why are they telling us now? And ironically, the stock is coming down. Now, it doesn't mean that this is going to be a negative play. It just could be so much that your investors, which have been holding on all this time, are actually just cashing out. So I would be concerned, and just to let you know, this is a daily chart that we're looking at now. I like the daily and 3-day chart. So let's just have a look what they say here. It continues to have strong advertising platform for mobile gaming. The mobile gaming ramped up its price target 650 to 825. So what we have to do here for ZNGA or Zynga is we have to wait. I mean, right now we're seeing a little spinning top there, which is telling us clearly that ZYNGA or Zynga sort of is finding a sort of a support level at the 50 mark. The only thing that concerns me here is I'm using MoneyStream MACD, and as you can see, MACD is going down. Volume also seems to have gone down a little bit. On average, we've got 23 million shares being traded per day, 16 million. I mean, we'd have to wait and see. I mean, if this hits the 50-day and bounces back up, that wouldn't be too bad. But ideally, you don't want to be getting into a stock this late. You want to really be getting into a stock, you know, over here. So that's ideally what you want to be doing. You don't want to be getting in, you know, when it's made these highs. You want to be finding these stocks as they're making these moves. So just to let you know, this is a 3-day chart. I do like a 3-day chart. I find that the 3-day chart, you know, gets rid of quite a bit of noise in the market. These are candlestick charts that I'm looking at in case you don't know. And, you know, it would have been a good time as you saw this histogram moving up and crossing above your 50-day moving average, your 11 and your 20-day moving average. That would have been a really good time to get into the stock when it was a relatively cheap stock to get into. So that's ZYNGA. Is it a buy right now? As you can see, I mean, they say that the stock is a good buy. It's a good, and that news piece came out yesterday. So as you can see, when the news piece came out, the stock immediately sold off. So, you know, oftentimes when you're looking to buy and trade stocks, you don't want to be looking at news related stocks. The only reason that I'm pointing these out is what I want to do is build an archive of what stocks have been recommended and how have they actually done relative to what these commentators have said. So I'll be keeping a list of all these stocks, and we'll be going over that. So that's ZYNGA. Is it a buy right now? It is in an uptrend, but as you can see, there is a short-term sell-off. If it bounces off the 50-day moving average and crosses back up, then it could potentially be one. But right now, we see MoneyStream coming down, time segmented volume, and we also see the MACD histogram down. We also see volume down. So right now, you know, if I wouldn't just be getting into this actual stock right now. As you can see on the 3-day chart, I mean, this stock has been like a rocket ship going up, and within a few months, you know, you would have doubled your money. Now, these are the stocks that we find with the service which I provide, where I actually provide you quality picks and tell you, you know, this is a stock that you want to be buying, not when it's already up 50%. So that's ZYNGA. Next. Hi, John here from Penny Stock Blueprint. If you're looking to actually trade penny stocks, sign up to my free course here. What I do is I give you a free 20-page guide, a free video, and a mini course which I send out. And I'll also send you out penny stocks that are basically not in the news. These are penny stocks which are about to move, and these are the actual penny stocks that you want to get into before everyone knows about them, because usually as you'll see in a lot of the videos which we go over, when the news comes out, these penny stocks usually get sold off. And the reason being is that the investors have already made their money, and what they're looking to do is they're looking to sell in their actual positions in the market to people who don't know what they're doing. So if you sign up to the free penny stock site on Penny Stock Blueprint, you can find all the information regarding penny stocks on there, and you can learn how to trade penny stocks. And I also give you penny stock picks, which you can whether you want to trade them or monitor them or follow them. That's up to you, but you can get all of that and learn to trade penny stocks from Penny Stock Blueprint. And all you have to do is go to pennystockblueprint.com, and you can download the free course.